In this video, I will show you how to hide contacts on iPhone, just hiding group of contacts or hiding specific contacts. It's actually very easy, so bear with me. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. Let's start. So there's ways to do that. The first way is just going over to your contacts, and for that you obviously want to have the latest version of iOS, and you can see different contact lists based on your email, iCloud, and so on. So if you want to hide a contact from your old contacts, you probably want to add it to any of these lists. You want to create a new list, click on add list, and then add the contact there. And this is basically the first option. The second option is going over to your contacts, just like so, and changing the name of the contact. So let's say you go to all contacts, use this contact, for example, and just want to hide, change it to something else. This is another option. And when he calls, you can also delete the call from your history. The next option is going over to your notes, adding a new note and saving the contact there. And let's say this is the contact. You want to click on the three dots and lock it. When you click lock, only you'll be able to use this and see this contact, because you need Face ID. That's basically it. You can have notes of your hidden contact, you can hide them in lists, or you can change the name. That's it. Comment down below if you still have any questions whatsoever. Love you to all my heart. See you next video. Bye.